Oh, dinner is getting ready. Coming up out of there. Wow, that's hot. That is hot. Oh, they look fantabulous. I think they're done before my chicken is done. Yes, I am dealing with a really good appetite today. I haven't had one in a few days, so yes, these are looking fantabulous. Oh, can't wait. Okay, that oven's gonna go off here in just a jiffy. But I'm making a shout out to this wonderful tasty yumminess that I just bought at Save-A-Lot to make some delicious flavoring in here. Let's see what's in this. Oh, come on, focus, darling. There we go. Salt. Oh, yeah, MSG. I see that. Garlic, spices, black pepper, oregano, basil, turmeric, onion. Wow. Thank you, Save-A-Lot. I can actually walk to my local Save-A-Lot when I'm having a good day because it's across the street from my area. So, Dios ante, Dios ante. Delicious stuff. It's on my chicken and it's also on these yummy potatoes. I want to try one right now.